Sharon, madams, boys, girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about English speaking. Why we should speak in English in the corporate office, corporate sector. And until unless you are speaking in English, you will not get promotion and you will not get your dream job. This is the reality, friends. Then you are thinking that, Sanjay, why should I learn this skill? This is not my mother tongue and this is not our national language. Let me friends why this is important and also the story behind of this language. Friends, when British are came in India, they were rolling their kingdom around 200 years and they were implementing their own language in India. And wherever they reached for spreading their business or prolonging their business, they implemented their language. That is why it's became an international language and it's became a global language. So until unless this learn this skill, you may not be communicate effectively with the abroad people. And nowadays business is global business. Okay, you have to communicate with the abroad client. Now you are thinking that, Sanjay, when did you learn this skill? When did you face the challenge? Let me tell you one story from my life. I remember when I was working in Haldia, I was coming my home and I was going to office. My native friend, they were working in abroad. My other friends also, they were working in abroad. They motivate me and they were talking about amazing flight journey. They are narrating the story of abroad country, about welfare, about the facilities. Then I was thinking that why should I not go to the abroad for earning the money for better future? Because my father was a farmer, still he was a farmer. So my mother also encouraged me, son, you have to go abroad for changing our circumstance. Then I used to go here and there for submitting my CV and also preparing course subject. So one day I received the call from consultancy office. They said, Sanjay, next week you will have the interview and before coming to here you have to study well for giving your effective interview. Then I was preparing and I left my home and reached to the Kolkata. So I was waiting for giving the interview, but end of the day they said tomorrow you will have the interview, because that was huge crowds. Many students they came to give their interview. Then I was staying hotel and I was sleeping in corridor. So next day I got up and I reached near the interview building. I waiting for giving my interview. So I was thinking that how I should give quality interview. Therefore I was discussing with some friend, new stranger. They were talking about this client is very good, you have to go and give your interview. So but I was feeling nervousness. They called, Sanjay, just go and give your interview in the room. Then I was going and I opened the door and I said, may I come in, sir? Then said, yes, Sanjay, come and sit comfortable on the chair. And first question they raised, tell me about yourself. Then I was hesitating, I was fumbling, I was getting nervous, I was not able to share my perspective in front of them. And within 2 or 3 minutes, they got to know about my skill, they got to know about my communication skill is very pure. Then they had written on my CV that was English is not enough. Then I shocked. Then I realized if I want to get my dream job, then I have to work on that subject. I have to open my mouth. I have to speak in English. That was my experience. So, why I am sharing this story to you guys? If you have this type of dream for going to the abroad, so first you have to learn this skill, then only you will get your dream job. This is Sanjay Manas signing out until meet again with new interesting topic. Thank you.